Welcome back to San Antonio Living. Summer is coming, and that means we're going to have a lot of family gatherings. So, what do you think is the perfect meal to set out for everybody to enjoy? A taco and a chalupa bar. Diana Barrios-Trevino is joining us this morning to tell us more. So good to see you.
Happy May.
Oh my goodness. I know, we were talking earlier, we're like Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Well, first Cinco de Mayo.
Correct.
Mother's Day, graduation. I mean, there's so many things going on.
And then we ended up with Memorial Day weekend.
So, that too.
I mean, there's a lot going on. But you know, one thing that I have heard a lot of people talking about is little children cooking for their mom for Mother's Day. So we thought this is an easy way. You know, my niece, her little children gave her a little certificate that they were going to cook dinner for her. That was one of her Mother's Day gifts. And so I thought, well, this is an easy one that little children can, with the help of somebody else, they can help them put this together, and it can be chalupas or tostadas, whatever you people call them, and then or crispy tacos, or you know, whatever. This is going to be fun. What we're going to do here right now, we're going to do a chicken salad, and we're going to put it on top of a tostada.
I love that.
So I've got some romaine lettuce, and I've got some chicken fajita. You can use rotisserie chicken. You can use whatever chicken you have. And then I have all of my ingredients ready to rock and roll and go into this.
If you're doing this at home, you know, whoever can set this up for the kids, put it on a plate like this, let them do it for mom.
So it's some grilled corn, black beans, cucumbers, tomatoes. I have some yellow, because I love all the colors, the yellow bell pepper, some red onion, cilantro for those that like cilantro, and then our queso fresco.
Oh, that looks so good.
So we're gonna toss this real quick, but the glue to it, what's gonna hold it all together, is this chipotle ranch dressing that we made, and it is so yummy.
Oh, what a good idea.
And so it's a dressing, I mean, it is a salad that has been dressed, and then you top your tostada with it.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And it's just going to be so yummy. I can't wait to eat it like that.
I know, I love this. And the tostada is just like it's a vehicle to get it to your mouth, basically.
There you go, that's exactly right. So
that looks so good and different.
And something different, because it's like a salad, but easy to eat salad. Yeah. You can eat it like this.
Exactly. I love the salad. It's good for you.
If you want to put some avocado, you can do that. But you know, the sky is the limit on this.
For sure.
So I have a big old palette for you to create your own.
These look amazing. What are those?
Okay, so this is just a traditional guacamole and chicken chalupa. Very, very popular at our restaurants. This is a chalupa vallarta. It comes with carrot shreds, but shh, don't tell anybody I forgot them. It has the refried beans, the shredded chicken, the lettuce, the tomato, some sour cream. That can be on the side also, guacamole. Over here we created one just special that we do at home. It is guacamole, some blackened shrimp, some red cabbage, some queso fresco, and of course you can put crema on it or salsa, whatever you want. Here is a traditional bean and cheese chalupa, very popular. We call it the San Antonio chalupa because everybody in San Antonio loves it. Over here we came up with this one. It is frijoles con chorizo, so it's beans and chorizo mixture that we make, queso fresco, some red cabbage, and sliced avocados. And just, you know, this one is a picadillo. It has picadillo on that one. Over here we did something different. It is a base of Chihuahua cheese. Then we put our tomatillo salsa on top of that. Some shredded chicken, some cabbage. We put cilantro, some queso fresco. And again, this one is an old school San Antonio chalupa that we used to have on our menu in 1972 when my parents first opened their first restaurant. It's called a chalupa con queso, which is the chile con queso chalupa.
Fantastic.
So it's just easy. So I have, you know, so
many different ones. Okay, I'm going to put one together with my favorite things while you talk margaritas, because margaritas, Cinco de Mayo, it's coming.
It's coming. You know what? We're just going to be celebrating all weekend long. Cinco de Mayo lands on Sunday, so let's get the party started on Friday.
Let's do it.
We're just going to celebrate all weekend long. We've got all the favorite margaritas, all of the favorite drinks. It doesn't just have to be a margarita. It can be anything you like that's in our bar. We will serve.
I love that.
You know, we had a group celebrating last night. They were celebrating other things, but they got the party started last night. So we've got that. Then we've got Mother's Day. We've got Mother's Day coming up. So we also have the graduations that have started.
Okay,
Well, they'll
yeah.
be starting real soon.
You guys have a great party room at some of the different restaurants. You've got a great patio. So if you haven't booked your graduation party, is there still time?
There is still time, and you know the graduation season is really, it goes all the way to mid-June. So you've got some time to book your parties. They are booking fast. A lot of the weekends are booking. But
This would be what I would make.
Okay,
It's got the beans, the guacamole, tomatoes, jalapenos, and cheese.
I love
The
it. She
Shelly.
added the Shelly. Okay, and you know what? We should.
Oh, we should cheers. Yeah,
Yes,
we
because-
don't have enough hands for all these holidays that are coming. I know, right?
Well, happy
Cheers.
May.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy
May
Mother's
to
Day,
you.
yes.
Guys, if you are looking for some great food and a great spot to host any of those upcoming parties, you can find Deanna and her family at all of the various restaurants on your screen. We've got La Hacienda, we've got Los Barrios, we've got Viola's Ventanas, and of course La Hacienda Scenic Loop as well. Call and get those reservations going. You can find out more when you go to losbarriosrestaurant.com.